In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and apply a coupon code to save on your ChatMogul purchase if you're looking to make the most out of your budget without compromising on quality. Coupons are a fantastic way to score some great deals. Let's dive into the process so you can enjoy your subscription at a better price. First, the journey to savings begins with finding a valid coupon code. Your best bet is to start by visiting the official promotions section of the ChatMogul website, or alternatively, trusted coupon websites that people often visit for the latest deals. These platforms are updated frequently and will usually have some great options for you. Once you find a coupon code that suits your needs, such as Save 20, be sure to copy it carefully. Ensure that you have the exact text, as some codes are case sensitive and even the slightest typo could mean missing out on the discount. Next, you'll want to head over to chatmogul.com. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. The process is quite simple. You'll enter some basic information, create a password, and voila, you're set up. If you're a returning user, just log in with your details to proceed. Always remember that being logged into your account will ensure that any discounts you apply are properly linked to your purchase. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose a plan. Navigate to the pricing or subscription plans page, where you can review the options available. Depending on your needs, select the plan that suits you best. Whether you're looking for a basic package or something more extensive, the choice is yours, and knowing what you want will make the process much smoother. With your plan selected, you'll arrive at the checkout. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the promo code field. It's often located near the bottom of the checkout screen. Go ahead and paste the coupon code you copied earlier into this field, then click Apply. If the code is valid, you should see the discount immediately reflected in your order total. Confirm that the savings are applied to avoid any surprises later on. Now that your savings are locked in, the final step is to complete your payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. Review everything once more to ensure that the discount has been applied correctly, and then finalize your purchase. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to applying a coupon code on ChatMogul. I hope you found this helpful and that it makes your online shopping experience both enjoyable and economical. Thanks for joining me today, and happy saving!